AMV Solutions presents PRONOX4CAST, the expert and intelligent foundry production system developed collectively with the metallurgical sector. An all-inclusive solution capable of optimizing the entire manufacturing process, producing top-quality alloys and parts at a minimal cost, maximizing productivity and profitability. PRONOX4CAST combines cross-platform technologies that allow automated real-time data processing, intelligently analyzing, calculating, adjusting, and improving all production processes, stock, and delivery logistics. Optimize resources and control all manufacturing processes for maximum quality and productivity with PRONOX4CAST. PRONOX4CAST, optimization in real time. With the guarantee of AMV Solutions, experts in industrial software development.